The journey of a service advisor named Arjun at Star Automobiles. The journey of a Star Service Advisor. By the end of this training, you will understand essential skills for a service advisor, learn effective communication techniques, explore upselling and cross-selling strategies, recognize the importance of continuous training. Here are the most critical skills and how to excel at them. Product knowledge about vehicles and services is essential. How to know. Familiarize yourself with vehicle specs and service details. Action. Study service manuals and features regularly. Effective communication and customer relationship management are vital. How to communicate. Listen actively and respond clearly to customer needs. Action. Maintain a calm demeanor and explain solutions simply. Multitasking and time management skills are crucial. How to manage. Prioritize tasks and handle multiple customers efficiently. Action. Use checklists to stay organized and responsive. Using technology to track performance and improve service is essential. How to utilize. Employ technology to track service metrics and feedback. Action. Regularly check dashboards for performance insights. Now let's check our knowledge retention with a couple of real-world examples. Handling a frustrated customer with a complaint requires patience. Pause and reflect. Is the customer's complaint valid? What are their needs? Your action should be: address the concern with empathy and offer solutions. Discussing additional services like AMC can boost satisfaction. Pause and propose. What additional services can enhance the customer's experience? If the opportunity arises, suggest relevant services like AMC or protection plans. Following up with customers for feedback is crucial. Pause and follow up. How can you ensure customer satisfaction post-service? Your action should be: reach out for feedback and remind them of future services. Now let's recap on what you learned. Master product knowledge for success. Build trust through clear communication. Enhance satisfaction with upselling. Embrace continuous learning. Are you ready to become a Star Service Advisor? Join us in making a difference in customer service. Thank you for being part of our journey at Star Automobiles.